Welcome to a journey through the world's most powerful wood-destroying machines. From high-powered chainsaws, cutting-edge logging trucks, to high-speed wood processing systems, we'll see technology and mechanical power at its peak. Get ready for some thrilling displays where giant trees are brought down in the blink of an eye. A brave man confronts the harshness of nature. In the midst of a white screen, he holds the chainsaw firmly, cutting precisely into the trunk of an ancient tree. The saw's rays fly, signaling an important moment is coming. The final cut sounds, the tree moves, a perfect, decisive fall, creating a powerful scene. But what a surprise! A platinum-plated hard-branched tree helmet, a reminder of the danger in every moment of confronting nature. A challenging task, to deal with a large tree in the middle of a residential area. The workers climbed the tree trunk. Each precise saw stroke echoed in the air. The cables were tightly strung, preparing for the decisive moment. But then, boom! The giant tree fell, pulling the power lines with it, creating a chaotic scene. An unexpected incident. Imminent danger. Will they be able to control the situation? A daring mission. To cut down a giant tree. The sawyer stands on a fragile plank, each cut through the thick trunk, sawdust flying. One small mistake. The consequences will be unpredictable. Then comes the decisive moment. The tree begins to shake. It falls in a majestic collapse, shaking the whole forest. Success or disaster? This is the battle between man and nature. Unexpected disaster. A car is stuck under a giant tree. The man holds a chainsaw, trying to rescue it, each cut echoing in the lush green nature. But things are not simple. The saw cuts decisively, the tree slowly moves. Crack! A heavy part falls down, hitting the car. Can they resolve this situation without causing more damage? A moment of extreme tension. Battle of two legendary chainsaws, Stihl MS661 versus MS500i. Two men, two machines, and a giant log. The sharp saw blade roars, cutting through the steel hard wood, sending sawdust flying everywhere. The race is intense and relentless. Who will win? The final cut rings out. The giant log falls. A powerful showdown, power displayed to the very end. The Jungle Warrior Kamasu 931 XC C144 enters the fray. With its powerful mechanical arm, it reaches out to a giant tree, clamps it down and knocks it down in seconds. There is no time to waste. The machine continues, stripping branches clean, cutting each log clean with absolute precision. Sawdust flies everywhere. The engine roars like a predator. This is more than just logging. This is technological domination where mechanical power crushes everything in its path. The monster machine Bell 8000 takes to the battlefield. A giant log is fed into the system. The sharp saw blade rotates, brutally cutting through every fiber of the wood. Sawdust flies everywhere. The logs are torn apart in the blink of an eye. This is not just a machine. This is a monster that crushes everything in its path. Cutting-edge technology, terrifying speed. Bell 8000 dominates every log. Say hello to the RSL UK16 in Mark, a jungle destroyer with unimaginable power. With its arms stretched high, it clings tightly to the tree trunk. In just a split second, the sharp cutting blade brutally tears the wood apart. The tree trunks are quickly knocked down, caught in the crushing system, and turned into compact logs. This is the pinnacle of technology, where humans control nature with just a push of a button. And those are the eye-catching moments of the power of woodworking technology. Which machine impressed you the most? Leave a comment and share your feelings. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next exciting content. See you in the upcoming videos, where machines continue to conquer nature in unimaginable ways.